Hello guys, this is Pershan, and in this section of this video I'm gonna discuss about different data types in Java. So in the graph is the flow chart. You can say data type has primitive, non-primitive. Primitive means it has been coded and some prefixes coded change the written language, that is user-friendly code into a code, and that will proceed the program. Okay, you can write this, you can copy this because it's important. So let's look at the default size, and we are interested in this only because that flowchart doesn't mean to anything because we don't know that if we don't know this. Okay, so this means you have a data type boolean. Have a boolean means a value, a variable that will give value true or false. It will carry one bit. A character, it is the smallest character you can have in Java. It can carry 2 bytes. Byte, it's 1 byte. A short, it's 2 byte. Short int, you can write int, it's 4. If it's only int, it's 4 byte. Long, it's 8 byte. Float, you have to write like this, and double you have to write like this, 4 bits and 8 bits respectively. And the second motive for this video is we want to create a program of factorial. Okay, let's go to the program itself. Let's copy Notepad++. Let's paste it. Okay. Why I'm just taking this program? Because it will clear you many things in Java, and by program you are learning it greatly. Okay, let's just start with the first thing. You write a class, writes the class name. Obviously the name should be in capital letters, the first letter should be capital letter. Enter the program, write static, in fact int number, the thing you learned just right in the previous video. Static variable means it declared in the class but outside the method. Okay, static in fact, it's a function because it's have a curly braces there, it's have a round braces there. Int number, you have a declared a number over here in the function in fact that will calculate the factorial of a given number, that is the number. Enter the function. It says a variable int f is equals to 1 for, now we're running the loop. I will explain you why we're running the loop. For int I is equals to 1, I less than equals to number, I plus plus plus, f equals to f dot I, and return f. So what this function means is that in obviously we are obviously it says it declares a number f is equals to 1. Now this is a loop, it's called a for loop, and for loop says that it have 3 statements over there. Now if we jerk down the for loop, it says if it implements this first statement, then implements this, then comes to this, and if it's true it comes to this, and again this, and it goes to increment part, then again it compares the condition, it comes over here, then it comes to increment part. So this is the procedure of a for loop. So it's first the declaration part, int I equals to 1, it stabilizes the variables, it gives the starting condition I is equals to 1, then it comes to the testing condition. If I is less than the number you have given over here, then if this come true, it comes to this, f is equals to 1, f initial value is 1 into I is also 1. Okay, this come up to result. Now at this stage f should be 1, and from after executing this statement is go to the increment part, which says now I equals to 1, I equals to 2. After increment it goes to testing condition, is I is less than number. If it's true, it comes over here. Now f was previously 1 into 1, f was previously 1 because at the end of first statement f was 1, and it multiplied by 2 after the increment. So now f is equals to 2, and it will continue over this statement comes false. That's the easiest way of explaining the loop. So let's just come over here, it's run f the factorial. Now let's just come to the void main. What I told you is The executable part in this Java is always the main function. Public, it means it's available. Static means you don't need to call object, you don't need to mention object. Void, it doesn't have a return type. Main, it is the executable code. This will I will show you later, as I told you already. Int result is equals to means fact 5. It is a fact. Fact is a function. I have to give a gap. Fact is a function. It have a value you have given is 5, and the value this function is returning right over here is stored in the variable called result, and system.out.println factorial of 5 plus result, and this is the result which we get over here and we will display it. I already told you system is a class declared in the lang package of Java. Out is declared in the IO package of Java, and from this we are accessing a function println, which is doing the work of display. Alright, let's just learn it. Let's just run it, and it should be operation. Already told you operation.java, and let's save it in desktop. Just quickly fire up cmd, change the directory to desktop. We are in the desktop now, and just run it. Java C operation Java. It has an errors. Okay, just rectify it. And anything else? Yep, I think it's just fine now. CMD and just run it again. Yeah, it's just compiled. Or to call it Java dot, not dot, it's operation only. Operation. Done. It says factorial of 5 is 120. That's absolutely correct. So at the end of this video, I hope you learned how to calculate the factorial of a number. That doesn't matter to me, but what matters to me is, did you get the concept of it? Did you get the concept of class and operating programs in Java? I think you're learning it greatly. Follow me in the next video. Till then, goodbye.